You want to help your customer because we can't realize our dreams in life unless we help others accomplish theirs first. Help your customer achieve their goals. And you can do this by realizing that 3 things usually motivate people in business. Number 1, they want to make more money. Number 2, they want to get promoted. And number 3, my son used to say 3. There he is there. This here is the green screen, that's why I can't see his shirt properly. Number 3, they want to enjoy what they do. So they want to make more money, they want to get promoted, they want to enjoy what they do. So how can you help them make more money? Or how can you help them advance in their careers? Well, in my MBA degree program, I actually provide my students with so many templates that they can bring to any meeting they want to. Okay, and I'm going to share a couple of these templates with you right now. So you can bring these to meetings with, if you're meeting with a potential customer or somebody that might hire you. So in order to download and complete the templates, I'm going to show you in a second, what you can do is you can go to this website with me right now, and there's instructional videos there you can click as well. So let's go together to harounmba.com/tip2. That's all lowercase. So let's go here to harounmba.com/tip2. There we go. Okay, great. And what you can do is you can watch these videos here to tell you how to customize these templates, which are in PDF format and PowerPoint format. Again, you bring these to the meeting with you. So if it's an investment job or an investment client that you're meeting with, what you can do is you can complete this template here and give it to them during the meeting. And so in this template, I talk about the investment idea, a qualitative analysis, and also a quantitative analysis and evaluation target price. When you download this in PDF format or PowerPoint, you can customize this and then print it out. Or better yet, save it as a PDF, and then after the meeting is done, send them a thank you message. And then you say, thanks a lot for the meeting. I really enjoyed our conversation. Per our conversation about stock ticker X, whatever it is, please find attached this template. Thanks a lot, your future boss. Thanks a lot, Chris. That was awful dad humor. Okay. So another example here of a template that you can actually bring if you want to is this one here. Okay. If it's a business development meeting, you can complete this template on a great idea you have and give it to them during the meeting as well. You keep all these things in your briefcase, okay? And you pull them out like secret weapons or tools or keys to get in the job. Okay, so this here outlines the entire business development idea. And you got to always prove that you can do the job before you get the job. Okay. Number 3, if you're meeting with a salesperson, okay, then what you can do is before that meeting, what you can do is you can network and meet with potential customers of theirs, and you can document it here, their name, maybe their phone number, etc., if you get to know them, that sort of thing. And then during the meeting with the customer that works in sales, you can give them this one-pager with the names of people that you networked with over LinkedIn that might become customers of the salesperson you're meeting with. Now, if that sounds like a lot of work, then you have to ask yourself, how badly do you want this customer or this job? Okay. Now, if it's somebody that works maybe in, operations or human resources, then what you can do is you can use this template here, and there's plenty more, where you can talk about a new product that they can use that you beta tested, for example. This is just dummy data here. And then give them this template as well. And you can't see this, but in the very bottom here, there's contact details where you write your name, your phone number, etc. always. Okay. So what you can do is, if you're curious about the MBA program, you can go to harounmba.com, okay, and just check out my program. In my program, I provide my students with all the templates and tools that you need in order to work smarter and not harder when taking your career to the next level, okay? And I'm proud to announce, actually, that in the past couple of months, many of my MBA students have gotten jobs that are amazing, including one that just got a job in investment banking working at Goldman Sachs. Another one just got a full-time job at Google, and one that got a job for the Boston Consulting Group. And many of my students have gotten raises and promotions using the methodologies taught in my MBA program, in addition to what I'm talking about today. So we start our 4th one-year MBA program on June the 1st. And anybody that signs up for the gold or platinum program, okay, Anybody that signs up for the Gold or Platinum program that starts June 1st will be able to attend all my future Gold programs for free forever. It's a great deal. And so I launched the MBA now 4 times per year, and each of the 4 programs contains more than 200 hours of live Q&A, meaning the Gold and Platinum programs that I launch. And this is the very last time that students that join the program on June 1st, this is the last time that students that join the program in Gold or Platinum can get access to all my Gold classes and all my future Gold classes and office hours for free forever. Now, each session has 200 hours of live Q&A, and I teach 4 different MBA classes per year on different days of the week. So 4 times 200 is 800 hours of live Q&A per year forever for free. Okay, you also get all future updates to my MBA program for free forever, including the programming course I'm adding later this year, as well as a monster course I'm working on now on NFTs, as well as the metaverse.